In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started and navigate your personal space in Wrike using built-in templates and key workspace areas. First, open Wrike and head to your personal space. This is usually listed in the left-hand navigation panel and acts as your own hub where you can organize tasks, projects, and tools that matter most to you. Give the page a moment to load so all the views and menus appear properly. When the personal space opens, look for the highlighted section shown on screen. This is typically a key entry point, like a main folder or a specific view in your space. Click on that highlight to open it up. You might see a short welcome message or a pop-up from Wrike introducing features. If a Got It button appears, go ahead and click it to dismiss the message so you can see the full workspace. Now, at the top or along the side of the screen, find the tab or menu item labeled Requests. Click on Requests. This area is useful for managing work intake. People can submit forms, and you can track those incoming items in one place. After that, move over to the Reviews section and click on it. Reviews in Wrike are often used to approve assets, documents, or other deliverables, so it's helpful to know where this lives early on. Next, follow the on-screen highlight prompts. You'll see certain buttons or icons emphasized, and you'll click each of these highlighted areas in turn. These highlights guide you through important parts of the interface, such as switching views, opening side panels, or accessing additional tools. From there, click on Calendars. Calendars help you visualize project timelines, deadlines, and workloads across your tasks. Take a second to notice how tasks appear as time blocks here. This is useful when planning your week or coordinating with your team. Continue clicking the highlighted elements as shown. These will typically walk you through different menus and panels in Wrike's interface. When you see Personal again in the navigation, click it to return to your personal space overview. You'll then select Space from the related options to access more configuration and management choices for this space. Follow the next few highlighted prompts, which will lead you to All My Spaces. Click on All My Spaces to open a list of every space you have access to. This is a good place to switch between team spaces, personal areas, or department workspaces. From this view, click on the highlighted option that opens Space Creation. Choose Create a Space from a template. Wrike provides ready-made templates, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Select Project Management as the category. This gives you a structured setup designed for tracking projects, tasks, and deadlines. Next, click on the highlighted project management template that appears in the gallery. Once you've previewed it and you're happy with the structure, click on Use Template. Wrike will create a new space based on that template, complete with folders, sample tasks, and views, ready for you to customize for your own work.